The headphone arena is the ultimate battleground for purists. If you are ever on the lookout for the best sound quality you can get, you know that this topic is where high-end and debate. All over the forums and comment sections, people get into arguments that are so heated, they make deciding on what company you should invest in look like child play. But passions aside, we're talking about gadgets that are part of the iconic SMAN survival kit. Be it while traveling, relaxing, or even commuting, the importance and practicality of these accessories are hard to match. In the world of high-fidelity sound, there is no object more coveted than the perfect wireless noise-canceling headphones. Their main advantage is the sheer versatility and freedom they provide. In theory, this means you can consume high-quality audio on the go without having to worry about wires and noises that may interfere with your listening pleasure. But the perfect wireless headphones have a lot of criteria to meet. And there are still people that say they're still lacking when compared with their wired counterparts. Hi, I'm Alex My Iconic Man. Today I'm going to tell you why most wireless noise-canceling headphones fail.